All right, first bite. Mmm. Okay. Delicious. Very puffy. The meat is well seasoned, melting in your mouth.
I'm going to start by measuring all the ingredients: the flour, the baking powder, salt and sugar, and you'll see all the measurements. Well, let's keep going. It's looking yummy. Look at that. Look at that. You just want to make sure you flatten it so that when you put the dough in, it will be sitting nice and flat, right? Before I put it on top of the meat or on the stew, just so that it doesn't take a long time doing it. So now that I have it here, I'm gonna roll in that flour and do this. You know, I think you have seen me in my prayer videos. That's what I do. And then I put it here. Same thing for this one. I'll do this. See how it doesn't even stick to my fingers because of the way I did it. It's not wet, it's just nice and light. I didn't fight with it. I just used the spoon. Right? Not fight, but you know what I mean. Now I'm ready to put them on the meat. Ready to go. So as you see how you just want to make sure that the gravy or the liquid is enough, because you're going to be steaming that bread into dumplings. Now I'm flattening the meat to make sure that the bread sits right on top of it. I have beef bones here. So I think it's good enough. Now I'm gonna put it in. You see how now it's gonna be easy because this was already pre-prepared. Just gonna set it on top. Should steam for about 10 minutes at medium heat. Don't put it too high and don't put it too low. Okay, see how it has raised up Shit, what should I call these dumplings in English? Puffy dumplings, or what do you? Steamed. Yeah. See, there's still some sauce at the bottom, some gravy. You want that. So it's been cooking for about 13 minutes. So it's cooked. I'm gonna take it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video and press that notification bell so when I post a new video, you don't miss out.